In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead in Salesforce Flow. First, sign into your Salesforce account so you're on the Lightning Experience homepage. From there, open Setup. This is your admin workspace where you configure automation, data, and apps. If you see an option for Advanced Setup, open it to get the full set of tools. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows and select it. Flows are Salesforce's no-code way to build guided processes that collect information and perform actions, which is exactly what we want when converting a lead. Click New Flow. You'll see different automation types. Choose Screen Automations. Screen automations let you design step-by-step, interactive experiences that prompt users for input before the flow does anything behind the scenes. Next, choose Screen Flow. A screen flow runs on demand and displays one or more screens to the user, perfect for gathering the details you need during a lead conversion. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first element, then select Screen. The screen element is where you assemble fields and messages that users interact with. From the component list, drag the name input onto the screen. Give it a clear label that your users will recognize, and then provide an API name. The API name is the technical identifier you'll reference elsewhere in the flow. Keep it short, descriptive, and without spaces so it's easy to reuse. Next, drag an email input onto the screen. Again, supply a label and an API name. The email component helps validate that the format looks correct before the flow continues, reducing user errors. Now, drag a password input onto the screen. The password component masks what the user types, which is helpful for sensitive entries in guided processes. Add a label and an API name here as well. Even though the text is masked for privacy, always treat anything collected in this field carefully and only store it if your business process requires it. At the top of the screen element, enter a screen label. This is the title users will see, so make it action-oriented and clear about what information is being requested. When your screen looks good, click Done. Then click Save for the flow itself. Provide a flow label. This is the friendly name admins and builders will recognize. The API name will autofill based on the label, which keeps your metadata consistent and saves time. Finally, click Save again to commit your changes. That's it. You've created a screen flow that collects key details you can use as part of converting a lead in Salesforce. You navigated to Setup, created a new screen flow, added name, email, and password inputs, labeled everything clearly, and saved your work. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.